Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited. I'm not gonna call this a holiday unboxing because I can use these anytime, but they are kind of part of the holiday thing. But we're talking about candlestick holders. I'm so excited they came. You probably saw in my past couple of videos, I had candlestick holders in the background. If you don't notice the background, it's okay. It's not a big deal. But if you did, I'm going to be talking about those, and the last ones came today, which, so I wanted to do the whole video together. But, yeah, let's talk about it. I'm going to start off with these medium glass candlestick holders with golden accents. Right? I thought it was so pretty, and it is. These ones are ones that just showed up, and I thought they would be pretty on the table. And so, yeah, I'm gonna put some candles in them, of course, but it is glass, so it's not crystal or anything of that nature. And they are 9.6 inches tall, and they are retail for $40. I got 2 of them so I can put on the table. I was about to say the kitchen table. No, I'm keeping that area more silver and white because gold kind of looks weird with the white cheers and the black table. But I'm putting this on the coffee table. So excited. The next ones that I got were by, I want to say Fagr, Fagr, and they are glass with gold accents. And I already have a candlestick in here, of course. And oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I really love them, and I did like the candle too because you can see it. I'm going to show you a picture of them that I took a few days, I took a few days ago in the living room. And these are 15.2 inches tall, so I thought they would go really nice on the mantle. And these retail for $55 a piece, and I got 2 of them to put on both ends. But they are glass, they're not crystal. And let's go to the next one. I just have one more. But I get so excited about this stuff. Okay. The last one is a glass with gold accent candlestick. And this is 11 inches. Oh, by the way, I got my my candlesticks. I got these from Restoration Hardware. I've had them for about a year. I bought them and I never used them. And this is 11 inches, and again, this is glass, and it retails for $45. But and I got 2 of these to go in between on the mantle. I'm kind of figuring out what all of my decor is looking like as I go. As you can see, I'm like, oh, that would look nice. Oh, let's try this. Oh, I think I like that. I'm not a decorator like that type of person, but I like to decorate. I'm not like some great interior design person, to be honest. I kind of go as I go and see if it fits, and does that look right? Did I do okay? And I just add to it. Now I will say with these is, man, so I kind of cracked this one up here, which I'm kind of upset with, because I was pushing the candlestick into there, and I'm like, oh, maybe I'm not pushing hard enough. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. So just shave the candle down. But yeah, these are all of my new candlestick holders that look great with my kind of gold theming for the holiday. But I can use them after the holiday because they aren't overly Christmassy or anything of that nature. I saw them. I was like, oh, this will go with everything. I feel like my voice gets maybe a few octaves higher uncontrollably because I get so excited. So anyway, those are the candles. Let me show you what they look like on the table and all that stuff. All right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I love showing you new stuff that I got, especially stuff that I'm excited about, which I normally only buy stuff that I'm excited about. Some things it's just like, oh, okay, I need to get this, so whatever. But these are I'm excited about, especially because they're part of the Christmas decor. So I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you had an amazing weekend and have a restful Sunday. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.